YouTube, welcome to another video from Goodwood, another car to drive. This time we are in a bona fide racing car. This car has competed brick car and other events. I think it's done a 24-hour race before. It's been in the hands of Rogue Motorsport for quite a while. So this car is a GT86 race car, but it's the base of what could become a championship in the UK for Toyota GT86s. Would anyone be interested in that? Has anyone watched the one in Australia? Because that is very good. Cam over there, look. He raced in that Australian 86 series, and I'm sure you've seen videos of it. If you've not, looks pretty good racing. So thinking about getting something like that started in the UK, and this car would mostly be eligible for that. So I've managed to wing myself a go in it on the basis that I'll mention that this 86 championship may be starting. Sound good? Sounds good to me. I've got myself a go in a racing 86. We've been driving the press one, which is over there. I've been driving that for most of the day, but now I'm in the racing one from Rogue. So quick spec of the car: it's got coilovers, uprated pads, we've got Toyota AAA Rs in the standard size, 215/45 all round. Full cage obviously stripped. We've got a shorter final drive, which wouldn't be legal in the championship, but pretty much everything that I've just mentioned there, fiberglass doors, that's all going to be legal in this championship. So it's just going to be, you know, a bit like the MR2 championship that I'm in. It's going to be on a control tyre and limited mods and stuff like that. But yeah, let's get out there and see what it's like to drive Toyota GT86 race car. I ain't got a clue if the traction control's off. that was the 86 then. I don't know how much you heard about it, but it was pretty loud in the car. I don't imagine you heard much of the engine, did you? Sorry for the machinery. There's a lot of machinery about Goodwood. Got a tractor here, a sweeper, and a forklift just waiting to cross the track. They're waiting for track to close, the current session, so they can cross the track and get onto the field on the other side. But anyway, that was the 86. So we can't do my usual outro from inside the car because Aaron's just got to go and take some passengers out. Thanks for Toyota for letting me have that one without a passenger, so I could get a proper feel for the car. And I did get a proper feel for the car, so I don't know how much you heard, because, you know, it was very noisy, wasn't it? But it was pretty good. Now, I don't know the exact spec of it. I'll have to maybe get some information from Rogue and put that in the description. But it was just flat out everywhere. Compared to the road car, which was obviously bouncing about everywhere, this one was just, yeah, mega. It's got the shorter final drive as well, so the gears were a lot different. You know, I was in 6th where I was in 5th in the other one, and it was just, yeah, pretty good. Really enjoyed it. Don't know what it was like to watch. What was it like to watch? You tell me. Hope it was nice to see a racing one in the contrast of the original road car that we were driving earlier. Two totally different sides of the coin there, eh? Road car and race car. But yeah, the Toyota GT86 Championship, I've just dropped my glove. The Toyota GT86 Championship, that could be a lot of fun, couldn't it? What do you reckon? Fancy a bit of that? 86s aren't cheap though. There's a plane doing a loop-de-loop. Whoa, can you see that? It's just gone fully inverted. Now it's coming back down. But you can't see it, can you? Just a tiny speck on your screen. But what a nice way to end this GT86 video. He's going for another one. You can't see it, can you? You don't need to see it. So yeah, quite a contrast to the road car. Obviously enjoyed driving the road car a lot, but you know, a race car's a race car, isn't it? Purpose built. Shorter diff, stickier tyres, better brake pads. What more do you need? Apply that formula to any car, chaps, and you're probably gonna have a good time, you know. Just FYI.